Why is Bruno the best choice for your stair lift? I'm Matt Capelle from Bruno Independent Living Aids, and today we'll find out. Mr. Stairlift. Bruno is known for its quality and world-renowned rail designs. Our straight stairlift rail is the narrowest available, and our curve rail stairlift is the only handcrafted stairlift available in the world. Other reasons people choose Bruno include the fact that we're a veteran-founded, family-run business. Today, the third generation of Brunos are here working alongside us, driving the direction of the company, and we're proud of that. Additionally, our customers love the fact that we're made right here in America, right in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. Your whole stairlift is designed, manufactured, and built right here in the U.S. And our customers really love that, and they really trust our quality because of it. To top it all off, we have the largest network of Bruno dealers throughout the country that are factory trained and there to support your product and give you the best experience possible.